What's up, guys? We're Criminal Birds. We'd like to give a big shout out to Denton Stage, Oaktopia, and also Mr. Frosty's for letting us play. Thanks, guys.
Frosty. Keeping it frosty.
So